once was lost, but now am found. The famous words written by John Newton as he realized after covering much foreign ground, he too was called to come home. I am not talking about the foreign ground he covered by traveling, but the foreign ground he covered by going miles away from his father's house. You see, oftentimes family gathers around in circles, reclining at tables, sharing lives, expressing hearts, telling stories, and a comfort knowing this is home, this is familiar. But as the father is going around and joyful to see his sons and daughters, he will always see the empty seat that once was covered by another beloved son. A son once so close, but who decided to go another way that seemed to be more fit to him. And this son is not home, and the father and his brothers and his sisters always will feel the void of a seat left empty, of a life not shared. It even makes them restless and worried about him. And as the pain grows bigger, they decide to go and seek this brother, this son with the desire and mission to call him home. It might take a lot of time and energy to first of all find him, but as they do, they will tell him how earnestly they desire to see him fill the empty seat, make whole the circle in which they are gathered, and how his father cannot wait any longer to see his son come home. And as he does, what a joy there will be in that house, a party we cannot fathom. Who are you in this story? I too was once that son that covered foreign ground, thinking I could survive outside my family, and believing there was more to see, more pleasure to find. But as I was far off, my brothers and my sisters came to seek and find me. As I came home, the shame fell off, because my father came running to me and hugged me, and welcomed me home. There was great joy that day in that house. Yet today I still see the circle is incomplete, as I realized other brothers and sisters are not present. Now I am on the trail to find them with eagerness, telling them of the goodness of their former house, of their family, but above all, their father.